Hi, let me ask you, are you already helping people discover awesome AI tools, sharing your tips and creating values with your contents? If you are doing so, let me share you with another simple way which may bring you extra income. You already saw we explore everything about faceless content creation, how to create faceless YouTube videos, generate content for different niches and share tips to grow your faceless channels, especially with the help of Vexub.com. But today we are switching things up. I'm going to talk about something different. If you are someone who loves promoting AI tools and platforms, this could be a game changer for you. So the way which I'm talking about is Vexub's affiliate program. Now with Vexub's affiliate program, it's basically 3 steps. Join the affiliate program and every time someone signs up through your link, you can earn extra revenue. That's right, a true win-win situation. You help others and you get paid for it. So let me show you how it works. When you go to the Vexub.com dashboard, on the left side, you will see an option named affiliate. Simply click on this. Now see, it allows you to become an official affiliate partner. You can generate a unique link that you can share with your audience on YouTube, social media, blogs, or anywhere. When someone clicks your link and subscribes to Vexub, you earn a commission. You can earn between $6 to $75 per month per active subscribers. And if the subscribers increase, you can imagine how much you can earn through this affiliate program. And the best part is the program is designed to reward consistent promoters with 3 packages: silver, gold and platinum. The more people you bring in, the higher your earnings can grow. Now here is why this is perfect for anyone already into AI tools. You already know how powerful AI is for content creation, faceless channels, automation and saving time. So recommending Vexub isn't just selling, it's sharing real value. You can explain how Vexub helps generate faceless videos, explore different niches or even automate an entire YouTube channel. People who are already interested in AI will love it and they will trust your recommendation because you have shown them its features firsthand. You can share it in your YouTube video descriptions, on social media posts, in blog articles or even in tutorials showing how to use Vexub.com. You can even run ads on behalf of Vexub on different platforms except Google search ads, which is a simple drawback of it, but still you can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, YouTube, etc. for ads. The more you show people how Vexub works, like we always do here, the higher your conversion rate will be. People don't just click links, they follow values. You are helping others discover a powerful tool that makes creating faceless content easier, faster and smarter for yourself. At the same time, you are building an extra income stream. It's literally a way to grow both your audience and your revenue at the same time. So if you are already into AI, content creation or faceless channels, don't miss this opportunity. Check out the Vexub affiliate program today. Start sharing your link and watch how it can help you earn while helping others grow. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips, tricks and tutorials about faceless content and AI tools. See you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, be happy. I will catch you in the next video.